In this video, I'll show you how to translate your sign-up form in Mailchimp. Once you are on your Mailchimp account, the first step is to head over to the navigation panel on the left-hand side. And at the bottom, you want to click on the fifth option, which is Forms. Now, once you click on Forms at the bottom, click on Other Forms. And once you are on the Other Forms section, simply scroll down at the very bottom until you find the fifth option, which is Form Builder. From here, click on Form Builder. Once you have your form builder, in here we will simply choose a form. It will automatically be set as a sign up form. Make sure that this is set as a sign up form, which is below subscribe. Now from your sign up form, you want to simply scroll down. In here, you will find three tabs. One is to build it, the other is to design it, and the last one is to translate it. Now, once we click on translate it in here, we can set this to auto translate. What this means is that depending on the country and the region of the customer or of the audience, it will automatically translate to their language. What you can also do is change the default language. So instead of English, let's say we want to do Dutch. Once you set that, it will automatically translate. It will also have the default English translation in order for you to know which one is which. Let's say we want to change this to Swedish. It will also be the same thing. It will have the Swedish language. On the right-hand side, this will be the translation in English. I do suggest that you do auto-translate, so this will depend on your country, and we will set the default as English. And once you're done, at the bottom, you can save the translation settings, and if you're not satisfied, on the right-hand side, you can even reset. What you can also do is change this. If you don't have your language right in here, you can change it to how you want it to be. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.